Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. You guys, for today's unboxing, we are going to be diving and going to be unboxing and digging our claws into our December Boxycharm box. Created this look that I have on my face with the products that's in the box. You guys know how unboxing goes, so I hope you stay and watch. If you guys have been enjoying my videos, my unboxing, please do give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upload. So if you guys want to see all the products in my December Boxycharm box, then just keep on watching. This is not the Boxyluxe. I don't do the Boxyluxe anymore. This is just the regular Boxycharm. This is not the... Which one is this one? Is this... This is not the Boxyluxe. This is definitely not the Boxyluxe, but I think this is the one that stepped down. No, it's not. This is the $25 one. Oh my god, I am so confused right now. But this is in my box. Oh my god, I'm so bad. So this is our box, and let's go ahead and take a peek. And this is everything that's in my box right here. So the theme for this month is Whimsy. This is our card right here. We have all the products at the back, prices, a little bit of information about the products in the box. So definitely comes in handy when you want to know what you are getting in your box. So let's go ahead and start with the skincare. Well, let's talk about this one right here. This is from the company Seraphine Botanicals. This is a Whimsical Wisteria conditioning lip polish, and this is a vegan, GMO free and gluten free product. So you guys, the packaging is really cute. It has, you know, really pretty flat. Oh, it's a globe. Just noticed that it's a globe, and then you have a little fairy right there. You guys, comment in the comment section if you watch Ferngully, if you're obsessed with Ferngully, if you know what I'm talking about. Just give this video a like because I was obsessed with that movie. There's a smell to it, but like always, I can never pinpoint it. So let's go ahead and squeeze. Ooh, that's what it looks like right there. So it does have like a little bit of exfoliating beads to it, so we can exfoliate our lips. This is a revitalizing lip polish infused with a blend of chamomile, wisteria, and honeysuckle to help keep lips exfoliated, protected, and silky smooth. It feels very, very conditioning. Now that our lip is ready and is conditioned, I am going to apply a little bit of lip plumper. I do this every time I apply, or before I apply my any lip product. This is just the Gerard Cosmetics lip plumper. The next product that we have is a Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I love facial oils, you guys. It just helps so much with my dry skin or my bipolar skin. This is from the brand Elemis. You guys, I love their moisturizer. It was in my Boxyluxe, I think my first or maybe second Boxyluxe. I got one of the moisturizer, and I'm almost out. So this is a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. So this retails for $79, you guys. It says this is an anti-aging product, and it has 15 ml, 0.5 US fluid ounces. So this is what this product looks like. Really cute. It's a dropper. So it says that we put how many? Like 3 or 4 drops on our face. So we are gonna do that right now. So it's very liquidy, you guys. For a facial oil, it's very liquidy. You would think if it's an oil base, it would have a little bit of thickness to it, but it doesn't. So it's definitely gonna be all over. Okay. There it is. Oh, yeah, that is. Oh. is a very strong smell. That product definitely leaves your skin very glowy. It feels very hydrating on the skin, so I really like that. So while that is doing its thing, it's soaking into our pores, let's move on to the next product. This is from Brow Bar. I think this is my first product from Brow Bar. Style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit, designed with the 2 long wearing brow shades. It says the brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, ooh, an angle brush, and a flat brow brush. And this retails for $30. Been loving brow pomade, been loving the pencil, so really excited I'm trying this. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm holding it so it doesn't fall. So you have your brow gel, and we have our duo brush right here. So let's go ahead and start this. So the brush is really tiny, so yeah, I mean it's tiny, but it's still long enough to hold, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Before I start with my brow, I'm gonna take a setting powder, and I'm just gonna set that real quick because I did apply oil all over my brow hair, so I don't want this product to glide around and that be a reason for it not to work. So let's do that really quick. I'm gonna try the brown, and if that's too light, and then we'll go to the dark side. Ooh, she's pigmented. I'm gonna dip into the black one just a little bit so we can get this tail darker. Wow, okay, wow. Actually pretty good. We're gonna leave it like that for now. I want to take this one right here. I think it says that we can use this to, it says highlight the brow line. Is that what it says? That is really good, you guys. Wow, I've never done my brows that fast. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side, and we'll be right back. So now let's go ahead and use the brow gel, you guys. I don't use brow gel. I mean, I've tried them before, but it's not part of like my brow routine, so we'll see. Let's get back to the box. So I'm really excited for this next product, you guys. I think the packaging, I love packaging, you guys. It's definitely gonna go on my vanity. There's something amazing to look at. It's just so pretty. So this is the Storybook Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. So it is so cute, you guys. Look at this. I want to collect all of them. This right here is inspired by the classic tale. This Storybook mini palette was created exclusively for Boxycharm and is as beautiful on the inside as is on the outside. We're combining stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. So this retails for $35. You guys, I think the packaging, just the packaging itself, I would pay $35, you guys, because it's one of those collectible palettes, you guys. It's just so pretty. We do have a mirror, and you can open it all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my arm so you can see swatches on the arm, and then of course we're gonna create something simple today so you can see it on the eyes as well. So let's go ahead and do all that. So we have Red, Bad Wolf, Basket, Peril, Journey, and Woods. So you guys, here are the swatches for this palette. Definitely swatched really well. They give so much pigment, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this. We're gonna do that right now. The lid is ready to go, so let's not wait because I'm really excited for this palette. The first shade I'm gonna take is this one right here, Journey. That's gonna go all over our crease and probably all over the lid. The next shade I'm going to use is this one right here. This is Woods. We're just doing the same thing, you guys. Just applying it on the corner, and then we're just going to bring it into our crease and all over the lid. Just make sure you blend it really good. And And then the last shade I'm going to take is this one right here, just to deepen everything up. This shade right here picks up a lot, so definitely tap your excess if you have your base already. I'm just going to press that first, and then we're going to blend. You guys, that is so easy to do. That is such an easy blend. It blends itself. So let's go ahead and take red right here. Yes, that's the right end. We are not cleaning our lid or anything like that. We are just gonna apply this all over the lid. I'm gonna use a brush on one side, and I'm gonna use my finger on one eye, and let's see if it makes a difference. I don't think the brush is picking up a lot, so I'm just gonna use my finger. With shimmer, sometimes it's, you know, it's better to use your finger. Yep. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this one right here, just to use all the shades. I'm just gonna take that last brown that we used, basket, and I'm just gonna blend all that together, so we don't have a harsh line right here. The last thing that we have in the box is a blush. This is from Ciate, London. So this is a cute little compact blush. It has a pretty good size mirror, and this is in the shade Dusk, so it's really pretty. Really loving this shade with the eye makeup that we have, the lips too. It's bringing the whole look together. It just adds a little bit of color on our cheeks. Really digging that. We're gonna take this one, and that's gonna go on our inner corner. So you guys, that is everything in our December Boxycharm box. What do you guys think? I definitely love this palette, you guys. This is the gem for me. This one right here, this palette alone is worth it for me. I would definitely purchase this on its own. Really love the shade, love the look that we create with this palette. And on the cards, let me know which one product that you would love to try. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I used that I didn't talk about is going to be in the description below as always. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.